Hey traders, what's up? To watch this video here for Thursday, August 5th. The SPY just still hanging out near all-time highs. I only have one highlight from today because I only worked the morning. I've got an August project I'm working on around here, and I've got a deadline. I got to get it done before Friday, so I've been kind of getting things done. Which August is a pretty good time to work on stuff around the house or whatever, right? Because it's generally pretty dead. But there's been some good trades. And the one highlight, what was it? EXPI. I'm going by memory. I usually have the stuff written down. Noticed this right before the open, gapping up, and told everybody I'm adding this one to the gap playlist. Go to 5-minute candles. By the way, gave it beautiful. I don't know if I could find it for you. Red to green. I don't even know if it was. Yeah, I mean, it sold off. That 1-minute candle topped out at 41.84. I really thought about calling it over 42, and it just happened so quick. So that happened in the second minute. I don't really like trading that early, so didn't get that. But then I watched it kind of flag after the gap. Had a nice sounding headline, fairly low flow, like 66 million or something. But anyway, really kind of a nice flag, and I just called it over the high day for basically 45.50, which triggered right there, and ended up going all the way up to almost 48. I had a nice trade in that one though, which is always whoops. Let's try that again. It's always good to have a nice trade under your belt if you know you have to take the afternoon off, right? It makes it a little easier. Anyway, that's the highlight. So what are we watching for tomorrow? CEMI had the nice pop yesterday, kind of a quiet day today. Sold off a little bit on lower volume. I'm looking for a third day play there. ARCT. Had that massive move. Wayne made a great call on this one yesterday. I went from 38.90 to almost 60 bucks. And today kind of put in a quiet inside day. Again, I'm looking for a possible third day play there. This is one of the uglier charts you'll ever see. EJH. And again, I don't trust it. It didn't give any kind of a setup today, but more of a narrow range today, obviously, than the last 2 days. Certainly still watching it for a potential bounce play tomorrow. I will not, even if I get an A+ setup in it, I will not take that with any kind of size. XBIO, just another red day. I was watching this one coming down into that buy zone. Recent high flyer, right? Had some big moves recently, and now it's come down, getting into that buy zone we look for. So I am going to watch that for a bounce again. Had it on bounce watch today. It did not give any of our A+ setups, so no trades, right? CERS, nice volume. Gapped up today and held pretty well. Looking for a follow-through day tomorrow. COUR, kind of the same thing. Nice volume today and a pretty strong move. I'm going to watch for a follow-through day tomorrow. BT, Bitcoin-related play. Just another strong day. It's certainly way ahead of itself, but it's so strong that I'm going to keep it on watch, see if we get any kind of a setup. Keep in mind that one is really extended. EXP, I already talked about this one today, the trade. I want to watch that for a follow-through day tomorrow. A couple more. FLGC, big rip yesterday, quiet inside day today. Looking for a third day play there. A couple more. APDN, kind of a quiet inside day after the big rip. And then MVIS closed at 12.22, and after hours it went out at 14.05. Not a great gap up, but got to keep an eye on it and see if whatever the news was in after hours seems to be holding this thing up in the morning too. Maybe we get an A+ setup as a morning gap play. We'll see. We'll add other gappers to this list as well in the pre-market, and should be plenty to trade. And I may just be trading the morning again tomorrow, so we'll see. I'll let you know in the morning. But anyway, I'm done babbling. See you guys in the chat room.